Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here we are. I'm working on my filter for the pool. So this is a bucket I had prepared some years back. There is a pipe going down to the bottom, open at the bottom of course, and then I have some coarse rocks at the bottom so it can suck up the water, not the gravel, and then some gravel on top. And now we're going to go and add up some charcoal, because that's gonna be my filter. See if I can do that one hand again. Oh, there we go. Okay. Sort that out, and I'm going to put some bigger rocks on top, and we're going to try it out. Okay, here we are. I put some rocks on there, and my pipe, my hose that comes from the pump, it's a fairly hefty pump and it may be too big, so we'll see in a moment. And that spongy stuff on the bottom of the pool is actually more rust than algae. Since I put the chlorinator in and tuned it up, it took care of all the algae on the rim. So I'm pretty sure this is the rust from last year when I had to take water from my old rusty surface water tank. So okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Okay, so water going in. Now, a couple things can happen. One of them is already bobbed up at me because there's quite a lot of pressure produced. The other one is that there's more water going in than it's able to come out through the filter, in which case I have to buy a smaller pump. Okay, so it looks like water is coming out down there, starting to. And I'm pretty sure the pump is too big. I'll already have it reduced as much as possible. Yep, that's not gonna work. Nope. Smaller pump. Okay, here we are. Smaller pump, 60 gallon per hour. And that seems to be working. It's not overwhelming the filter. Looking good there. With the bigger pump I could have made the pressure filter, but then I probably would have needed to buy a new bucket with the lid and so on and so forth, and the bulkhead. I've seen that done and it probably will work, but this is good enough output for me. I think that will do the trick. Just let it do its filtering there, and then we can enjoy it. Thanks for watching.